Tiller Money is a personal finance tool that helps users manage their money through spreadsheets. Instead of relying on fixed dashboards like most budgeting apps, it integrates with Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel, allowing complete flexibility. The platform automatically imports transactions and balances from bank accounts, credit cards, and investments, saving time on manual entry while still giving the user full control over customization. This makes it appealing to people who enjoy spreadsheets but want automation to streamline their financial tracking. It provides a variety of pre-built templates, such as monthly budgets, net worth trackers, and spending trend reports, which are easy to use and can be modified to suit personal preferences. Users can also create their own custom spreadsheets if they prefer more tailored control. Daily updates keep financial data current, and expenses can be categorized in ways that fit individual lifestyles. For those who like detail, the ability to analyze finances with formulas and charts inside familiar spreadsheet tools is a significant advantage. This service is not free and costs around $79 annually, though it does offer a 30-day free trial. For people who already use spreadsheets regularly, this cost can be worthwhile because of the automation and flexibility provided compared to manual tracking. However, those seeking a free solution or who dislike working in spreadsheets may not see the same value. One of Tiller's biggest strengths is its high level of customization. Unlike rigid budgeting apps, it allows users to define their own categories, layouts, and financial views. It also supports connections with thousands of financial institutions for smooth syncing. The downsides include a learning curve for those not comfortable with spreadsheets and a lack of the sleek, app-like interface found in alternatives such as Mint or Unab. Overall, Tiller Money is best suited for people who enjoy working with spreadsheets and want the freedom to build a personalized budgeting system. It balances automation with flexibility, offering both convenience and control. While beginners or users who prefer a visual app experience may find it less appealing, it remains a strong choice for those who want to take financial tracking into their own hands.